Hey everyone, I'm back today with another journal flip through for you. Another autumn themed journal. I think this will be the last one for fall. Soft cover fabric. I'm really enjoying these soft cover journals. Normally I make hardcover journals, but I'm enjoying this. So let's just see some of the details here on the front. This beautiful girl here came from Artymaze digital kit Autumn Splendor, so you will see a lot of her kit throughout. So we have a library card here in the front and some page embellishing here. One of these silk leaves and button, just a little arrangement there. Some stenciled leaves using distress inks, so there's red, yellow, and brown there. This music paper right here, excuse me, is this is a digital copy of some music paper I have that is from the 1800s, and it is literally just crumbling. Here, I'll show it to you. This is it, but it's so brittle that you can't really fold it and use it in a journal page because it just cracks and breaks. See how easy that just comes apart. So when I use it for pages now, I'm having to copy them for pages. But whenever you see it used in a collage or as an embellishment, it is the original. So that is the original music paper below this decoupage napkin here. Little blank card on the inside here. Okay, and then we have a CD envelope here. I have not put a tag in this envelope, and the reason for that is I didn't want to cover up what I had put on the inside. So whatever you decide to put in there, that's great, but I just wanted to leave it as a blank pocket. Aren't these little tags cute? These are part of her kit. This some kind of calendar date page. It says October. Flips up. Decoupage napkin here. There's a little bit of Edith Holden paper. Matching note card. And I just stamped on it, Explore, Dream, Believe. More stenciled leaves. More decoupage napkin. This one has some book page beneath it. Oops, there we go. Oops, sorry, bumped the camera. Give you a little shake. There's some fabric ruffle. This is not black. It's showing up black in my camera, but that is the deep dark brown that is the inside here. Okay. Tag. There's some of that music paper. This is the original. Okay, and like I said, it is from late 1800s. Just a piece of paper I've folded into an envelope shape and stamped. Tucks behind that little tag, and then this little paper sack that says Give Thanks. And then I've made a long stenciled tag, left blank on the back for journaling. Okay, and then this flips over, and you've got some lines here for writing or a list. I've got a quote down here about autumn. But over, we have another pocket, piece of journaling paper here, folded up. There's the other side of that music paper. Okay, and then this page here, once you pull the paper clip off, this little file folder, mini file folder, folds down. And inside you've got these little tickets, little ticket tags. Poke those in there. And a journaling card. Again, original music paper. The only music paper that's in here that is not original is the pages sewn into the signatures. So anywhere else you see music paper, it is the original 1800s music paper. Another autumn quote. Then some decoupage napkin over music paper. This folds open, just giving you a place to write, another place to write. Tag comes out. Oh, this is my own creation, and I forgot what's going on there. I'm like, I feel like I have two papers. It's not Monday, but it feels like Monday. Okay. This is some decoupage napkin on here. Okay. Then this flips out. Got some lines here. And then we have a pocket here. Slide that back in. Some more Edith Holden paper. Decoupage napkin over book page. So that flips over here. Got a little bit of collaging here. Not much, just very subtle. Sorry, thought I skipped a page. Okay. More fabric ruffle here. This is the fabric that's on the front. Okay, and then this little file folder just flips up. Just a little bit of decoupage napkin over music. Okay, and then I have a little pocket page here, similar to the ones I've done in the past, and I do have a tutorial on the channel here for making this little pocket page. It's not identical to this, the tutorial is not. This is very similar to that, so it's kind of a double pocket. This one's not really a pocket as much as it's just a little tuck, but you can check out that tutorial if you're interested in making something like that. This is a little tiny tag, so it's a little smaller in my palm. Pokes right in there. Another little tiny tag. Shouldn't say tiny, it's not tiny, but it is little. Okay, and I have another quote down here. And then little file folder folds open, and we have a little pocket here. The ticket, and that's almost a little tiny tag. It's the size of my pinky. I stenciled a little leaf on it. Okay, that folds back up. Stick a paper clip on it to secure it. The little jewels and jewelry pieces you've seen here are all vintage costume jewelry that I've acquired from yard sales. No, not so many yard sales as much as auctions. My aunt and uncle gave me a bunch because they go to auctions all the time. And then a few of these pieces came from Melody Huey from Newbie Junk Journal Makers. I purchased a little journal kit from her, and it had a few pieces in it, so I'm not really sure which ones came out of my collection and which came out of hers, but they are vintage pieces. It's just a piece of like newsprint type paper that I've stenciled leaves on. And it's, sorry, it is tea stained on the back, blank for writing. Okay. Another little CD envelope with her pretty picture. Edith Holden paper here. If you notice the Edith Holden paper, I tried to pick papers that were from the fall section in her diary and had colorful fall colored foliage on the paper, so try to make sure it fit. Pin that back. Okay. Almost done. This is the last signature. This is 3 signatures, by the way. Oh, I've not counted the pages. I'll have to do that. And when I count pages, I usually don't count little pages like this. I usually only count the full-size pages, and I don't count doilies in my page count either, if that gives you any idea. Okay, this little file folder folds open. Got this gorgeous girl here again. Tag comes out. And so there's that pocket there. And then we have another tag here. This one I did not put any strings and whatnot on. I just didn't want to add the bulk right there in the center of the page. So you can do that if you want to. This is original book page here. I mean, music page. Another autumn quote. Okay. Shh. My Golden's going to try to get her big voice on. She's not happy that I've made her stay in the other room. Just a little tiny mini book. And it ties up with some orange ribbon here. Okay. Almost done. Almost done. Little metal key. Oops. Okay. And that's that. So it's a sturdy, I think you could hear that in there, sturdy little soft cover journal. So it is 110-pound cardstock inside of there, and then both sides of the 110-pound cardstock are backed with craft foam. So it gives it a little bit of flexibility. You know, if it was just the cardstock on its own, it might crease, but the foam inside there gives it a kind of a soft feel, but sturdies it up there. All right, well, I will get this listed. Oh, you know what? Wait, hang on. One more thing. This goes with it. I had originally made this to be an insert inside of there, and this thing was just getting, you know, kind of chunky, so I've decided to leave it out as a little extra, and you can do with it whatever you want. But it had started out as just going to be a little tag journal extra. And so we've got decoupage napkin over that music, original 1800s music right there. Okay, and then inside we've got a little pocket and a journaling card. And then I have some papers in here, just random leftover papers. Some really grungy. I think that's some of my old coffee dyed paper that I used to excuse me, I used to coffee dye instead of tea dye. It doesn't have any smell anymore, so don't worry about that. But I quit I quit coffee dyeing and started tea dyeing instead. Well, that's just what that is, some old grungy paper left. And some more decoupage napkin here. So it's just a little tag-shaped mini journal that you can do whatever you want with, but that will be included with the main journal. I just didn't put it inside, it's just too bulky. Okay, so these guys will go up in the Etsy shop here before too long. It is 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time here. Take me a good little bit to get this video uploaded and get it listed, so sometime this afternoon it will be up in the Etsy shop, so you can look for it there, and I'll make sure I put the links below. Well, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for joining me on the flip through. Go check out Andrea's kit from Artymaze, Autumn Splendor, and I'll make sure I link that below as well, and check out her other kits. She has some beautiful digitals in her shop. Okay, I will let you all go. Good to see you. I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.